Hello friends. As you know, our country is going through very bad times these days from the last 6 years because we are run by an autocratic government that does not believe in the freedom of speech, that does not believe in our constitution, and that is hell bent on destroying the democratic structure, the federal structure, and the voice of the people. The last 6 years, the government has been only working for the interest of selected 5 or 6 corporates at the cost of the whole nation, at the cost of the 130 crore people of our great country. The ideology of Mahatma, of truth, non-violence, equality, secularism are under threat. Today the government wants to stop the voice, muzzle the voices of people who are criticizing the government or who speak the truth. As I have said, today the government is afraid of you. Today the government is afraid of the youth. And today the government is afraid of truth. So if you are speaking the truth, the government is afraid of you because they know they are lying. They, along with the Godi media, are in a combination. They are working in collaboration and in tandem to spread lies, to spread polarization, and to divert the attention of the countrymen towards irrelevant, unnecessary, and poor things that hides the failures of the government, that hides the tax loot by the government, that hides the interest of the government working against our country, that hides the fact that China is inside our territory, but the government is not able to stop them from building structures. Both in Ladakh and in Arunachal Pradesh, we have seen how the government has found itself incapable. When the PM says ना कोई घुसा है ना किसी ने हमारे देश की ज़मीन पर कब्जा किया है, he is outrightly lying, and the world has seen it how badly he is misleading the people of our country. The economy is in doldrums, and the government is completely uninterested in handling the economy. They are reducing the budget of key things. They are selling our PSUs, the grand Navratna PSUs that were built over the period of 70 years by the Congress governments. Yes, the BJP government says the Congress did nothing. What did they do? The point is the number of companies, the PSUs companies that the BJP government is selling today is the list what Congress has done in the country. The Congress has built such great institutions like BSNL, like HAL, like BPCL, like LIC, that the government is compromising right now by selling them, and that too at dirt cheap prices to its corporate friends. It is a matter of deep shame and concern for our great nation that the government is actually playing fool with this country by not listening to the voice of the people. Crime against women and crime in general has gone up in a dynamic way, but the government does not have any problem with that. It is obviously protecting the criminals, as we have seen in Uttar Pradesh, where the government actually punishes the victims and their families, torments them in a big way. Today our economy is in bad shape, our democracy is under threat, the constitution has lost its importance in this government. Today government is afraid of the youth because they are speaking the truth. That is why we need to continue. As we have seen in our Speak Up campaigns, in our other campaigns that have been run by the social media team of the Congress party to protect the ideology of our country, the ideology of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, the government has been actually brought on its knees. The Speak Up campaign run has seen thousands and thousands of videos come up by the common man who have spoken their minds and who have actually asked questions from the government, who have shown the mirror to the government against its failures, against its autocracy, its lack of will to protect our borders, its tax loot, its lack of ability in creating jobs, providing the right price to the farmers, and in all an overall failure. Therefore, today we have seen how the government has been trying to muzzle the voice of the people by asking Twitter to shut down handles that are writing against them. Yesterday, the BJP ministers started to transform themselves into a new platform that has been run by the government called KOO, Ku. I don't know how they pronounce it. It's a replica of Twitter, but it will be controlled by the Indian government. Hence, they are actually migrating from this platform because Twitter is also not fully obliging to the demands of the BJP government in suspending the accounts. So the fact of the matter is very clear. The government does not want you to speak the truth. It is afraid of social media. As we know, the Congress has launched the Joint Congress social media a few days back. It is important that the youth who wants to protect our ideology, to protect our constitution and to save our democracy must speak up, must join us. We have launched a toll-free number, we have launched a website and a WhatsApp number. You can reach us, fill a form through a chatbot that you get by clicking on the link or giving a missed call to the toll-free number or through the WhatsApp, where we ask genuine questions about your standard normal, your name, your district, your PIN code, your mobile number, which platforms you are active in, what is your profession, how many hours a day can you work for social media. And our aim is that after this 1 month of campaign, we actually want to interview the selected candidates, and at the end of the interview we will appoint and train them, and we will actually have this target. We have this target of appointing 50,000 office bearers all across the nation and about 5 lakh volunteers. This army of volunteers and workers of the Congress Party social media will fight the fake news run by the government, will fight the propaganda, will fight against the negativity, will fight against the unemployment, will fight against the rising crimes, will fight against the lack of interest of the government in generating jobs. We will show the mirror to the government. We will continue to be a brutal force and attack the government in its failures and where it is compromising the nation's interest. Today it is important that the youth, the women, everyone joins us and uses the potential. As we know, the mobile phone today is a big thing. Anyone with a smartphone today is a media in themselves, especially at a time when the electronic media is compromised fully and it only runs the propaganda of lies that helps the government save its face. Today the media only attacks the opposition instead of asking questions to the government about the failures and problems. That is the issue. We need to speak our questions ourselves because the media does not do that. And for that we have a platform on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and several more, which are actually helping us to ask the questions and stay relevant. If we don't do this now, this government will take away our rights, will take away the constitution and will sabotage the democracy fully. Therefore, it is important that we wake up and rise to the situation and help us, our fellow countrymen, remain independent and not allow this government to take away our democratic rights. Thank you so much. Join the Congress social media. I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much.